The room was heavy with dust and silence when Anna found the old typewriter in her grandmother's attic. Its keys gleamed, untouched for decades, yet strangely inviting. Curiosity pricked at her, so she rolled in a sheet of yellowed paper and pressed a key. It clacked down with satisfying weight, and words began to appear, letter by letter, as if guided by invisible hands. Anna's fingers hovered, unmoving, while the machine spelled out her name, then described her every movement in chilling detail. She tried to pull away, but her hands wouldn't respond. The typewriter continued, describing her mounting panic, her racing heart, her desperate screams, each word appearing seconds before she felt or acted them out. Tears streaked her face as she watched the story unfold, her fate dictated by the relentless rhythm of the keys. The final line appeared, and with a final gasp, she became another whisper in the attic. The typewriter fell silent. When Anna's parents found the untouched room days later, all that remained was the finished page, her story perfectly typed and the faintest echo of keystrokes in the air.